Yo guys, day number 21 right now, and I continue doing my challenge, speaking every single day on camera until get fluent in English. This is my main goal in life right now. And today is beautiful day, 8th March. What does it mean? Women's Day. I congratulate every single woman, my subscriber or any woman in this planet with your day, with your holiday. Yeah, my congratulations. So it's weekends right now at university, do some homework today, a lot of things. My first task is describe a day when you thought the weather was perfect. Alright, here's the thing. I still remember clearly that summer, because you know my favorite season is summer, and it was summer after A-class graduation. I used to spend the whole summer in my grandma's house in the other village. Like there is two village nearby, in the one my house, in the other grandma. And why I was there, because my best friends since I was a kid, he lives near my grandma's house. You know, so the whole neighborhood, all my friends there. Yeah, I really like to spend time with them. And I remember it's summer evening when you, after the hottest day, incredibly hot weather in the day, we spend the whole days in the ponds or in the forest lake. We really liked to swim. And after this extremely hot day, evening, I remember, was so peaceful, like a bit fresh air. It's such a calm streets. There was no wind. You just go out the house with your friends in the one street. We lived on the one street, and we meet together. We hang out. There was such a little kids just running, play something by themselves. Grandma, all the grandmothers go out also, and just sitting on a bench and discuss some news in the village news. You know what I'm saying? And we with my friends in a balmy evening. It's already sunset, sun starting going down. Yeah, it was a really peaceful atmosphere. Sometimes we just sit on a bench and waiting for other friends while they preparing for going out. That was my favorite weather, because this is middle of summer. This is the best conditions what we can even imagine in our climate.
What type of weather do people in your country dislike the most?
In Russia, this is middle of autumn, something maybe November, October, when it's rainy season, and such a muddy, gray weather, a bit depression and around the population. During this autumn season, you understand, summer is over. It's gonna be a long way to wait to summer again.
What jobs can be affected by different weather conditions?
Definitely some kind of jobs when workers have to spend time outside. Then they will be affected, definitely. Because, for example, delivery service, yeah, when you always have to transfer some orders to clients, and you have to do it on some bike without car. Obviously, you will be affected by this. In the winter, your pace will be slowed down. Probably some construction work, if you build a building or renovate maybe pavement, then it depends on weather conditions. When it's rainy, it's gonna be difficult to do this kind of job.
What's the best way to get accurate information about the weather?
I've got used to get information about weather and forecast from internet. It's pretty accurate every single time. For example, yeah, in Moscow, weather is predicted always accurately, really. About TV, from time to time, it can be some mistakes. Yeah, I don't know what it depends on, but I will choose getting on internet.